Willard Airport in Champaign reported 68-mile-per-hour winds today, and some businesses across central Illinois saw the effects. Over in Watseka, the Baier Funeral Home roof collapsed. That happened on West Oak Street. WCIA3's Chance Lincoln was there all day today. Chance, what did you see out there?
I was there all afternoon. There was bricks everywhere. There was awnings down along the sidewalk, and everything practically was destroyed near the side of the building. The roof in the back was also caved in, and now the owner is just waiting for answers.
Actually, shock. I was at our other office, and my secretary about 10:45 said that it came across the scanner that the roof collapsed.
That's when Baier Funeral Home owner Stephen Knapp rushed to see his business partially destroyed. Seconds later, fire crews arrived.
Immediately came over, and that was before the fire trucks and police and everybody arrived.
Watseka Fire Chief Kenneth Baier says they wanted to respond as quick as possible.
Our main concern was to make sure that there was nobody in the building and to evacuate the immediate area for any further collapse.
He says only one person was in the building working at the flower shop next door. Knapp says the building is heavily damaged.
Substantial. I just, looking at the roof, and you can see the trusses.
He won't be able to know what is next until a structural engineer comes to inspect it.
Just to fix what you see visible, that could be up to $50,000 to $70,000 to $80,000. That's the easy fix.
He's just thankful no one was hurt and that there were no services at the funeral home when it happened. The fire chief says a structural engineer could arrive as early as tomorrow to assess the damage and to provide more clarity to the owner. Marley.
Chance, thank you so much.